Okay, finally, I got my Miele. I did not know how to pronounce that. Miele coffee machine, countertop, CM5. So we have a discount, which is I need to get this amount of coffee, and I can get this machine for $6.99. And this is actually 20 bags of 250 gram coffee beans, which is around like 5 kilograms. So let's see what is it. Basically, I have already asked if I can mix and match because they have 4 kinds of coffee beans, different coffee beans, but they said they cannot really mix and match. So I have to get 20 bags of the same coffee bean, which is a bit annoying, but hopefully, let's see how big is one bag, one pack. So this is it. Okay. Okay, so this is a bit weird, really bad. Today is actually today it is a bit weird. Today is 2020 May 14, and this is exactly 1 year. Okay, expiration 1 year after today. So I need to finish it in 1 year. I think I can finish it I think it's very easy to finish that one bag. But anyway, this is the 20 bags. I didn't even count it. Okay, now let's open the machine. The machine is not heavy at all. I can actually easily raise it up. So let's see what happened inside. I'm only doing the unbox today, and I will do a full a video on how to use it and what is it after it. So let's open it, see what happened. Okay, so first of all, I have a pack of, I think this is for descaling. Yes, descaling tablet, so you can see that. And also I have cleaning tablet. Okay, so let's see, how can I open this? Okay, let me go to here. Okay, I need cameraman's hand on holding this to me. Just a little bit. Okay, good. Okay, so this is the box, and with obviously with the styrofoam. So I got the manual, the instruction manual. This is very obvious. Is for the dispenser, I think.
The tray.
The tray, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So this. Oh, it's quite nice. And it's the size. This is the smallest one. With $6.99, this is quite good. Okay, I do not need to do anything. I will do that. I don't need to do anything. This is the water trail, and within this is the tube that should go in here for the milk. So you can go to the milk. There's a lot of things. What is this? No, I can open this. I think this This is for the coffee bean, and this is for the grounded coffee. Okay. And what I like, the reason I buy this is because it's mainly because of, I can open this here. And I can actually open this. I can open this, but I do not know how to open it right now. So no, I think we need to take this off or something like this. Anyway, so that's it, and I will hook it up and see what happened.